Hi, I'm Patrick Reed from the Adamas Principle. Finally, all of our dollar prayers were answered. G10 finally took the cue from what EM was telling us for quite some time. King dollar spiked across the board, and this move looks real. So, lots of reasons being bandied around, from elite GDP, and we'll come to a little bit more of that later, to dollar shortages, but no one really knows. The point is, it moved and it looks real. So, the big question that we're having at the Damage Principle is this the end of the story for dollar bears? Well, it could be, but let's just see how the week pans out. Lots of data come up this week. On that GDP note, after a stonking headline, the subcomponents quite a lot weaker. They are transitory. However, Q1, in relative terms, it is still quite a good figure. Just because the rest of the world is pretty ropey, so net is pretty good. Also, within the US, we were expecting a sharp slowdown. That hasn't happened. And you can call it transitory reasons, you can call it whatever. The fact is, it was far above expectations. So just bear that in mind. So the first slide we've got is dollar index. Still not bothered on any negative kind of narratives on the GDP. So we've broken 97.70. We're consolidating at above this level. Let's see if we can stay above. If we break 97.70, I feel that this could be a failure. I don't see it. Like I say, dollar and the US is the best of the bunch in the rest of the world at the moment. I just see another leg higher in the dollar. So the next slide, dollar CAD, again 134, massive for us at the Adamas Principle. It broke, it's staying above. Dips are quite shallow. Oil somewhat fallen foul of the correlation with CAD. It's, oil's off its highs. Be aware. Don't read too much into any divergence or convergence on the correlation. Just bear that in mind. And then euro yen, which is the next slide, 125.50. This was interesting because euro dollar dragged it down. Dollar yen very difficult to trade at the moment. You've got a lot going on. And you've got a few chop moves, and obviously it's Golden Week in Japan, so probably all yen pairs very thin. So euro dollar dragged euro yen down, not dollar yen. But all is well if we stay below 125.50, and all eyes on euro dollar. Really, I haven't shown a euro dollar slide, but all eyes on euro dollar below 111.85, which this should definitely keep euro yen lower than 125.50. Bottom line, dollar looks real in this move. It won't be quick. It should have another leg higher. We at the Adamas Principle are looking from 3 to 6 months timeline. But for us, it's a firm buy on dips, and keep that call long. That's just what we're recommending to our clients. My name's Patrick Reed from the Adamas Principle, and I hope these charts are helpful.